Top 5 Best Hitch Cargo Carriers. Number 5. ARKSEN Folding Cargo Carrier Luggage Basket. The ARKSEN Folding Cargo Carrier Luggage Basket is a versatile and spacious hitch cargo carrier that caters to a variety of hauling needs. Its robust build and user-friendly design make it a noteworthy addition to this list. Constructed from heavy-duty steel with a black powder coat finish, this cargo carrier is built to last and resist rust and corrosion. It offers a generous 500-pound weight capacity, providing ample space for your gear, luggage, and more. The ARKSEN cargo carrier features a 60-inch by 24-inch platform with a mesh base, making it easy to clean and preventing debris accumulation. It also comes with a reflective strip for increased visibility during nighttime travel. One of the standout features of this carrier is its folding design. When not in use, it can be conveniently folded up vertically to save space. Installation is straightforward, fitting most 2-inch hitch receivers, and it includes a hitch pin for secure attachment. Whether you're embarking on a camping trip or need extra storage space for your road trip, the ARKSEN Folding Cargo Carrier Luggage Basket offers reliability and convenience. Coming in number 4. MARKSIGN 100% Waterproof. If you need a cargo carrier that can withstand various weather conditions and keep your belongings dry, the MARKSIGN 100% Waterproof Hitch Cargo Carrier is an excellent choice. It's designed to protect your cargo from rain, snow, and other elements while offering ample storage space. The MARKSIGN cargo carrier is constructed from heavy-duty 500D tarpaulin fabric, which is not only durable but also completely waterproof. The seams are heat-sealed to ensure no water can penetrate the carrier, providing peace of mind during wet journeys. With a 59-inch by 24-inch platform, this carrier offers plenty of space for your cargo. It has a weight capacity of 500 pounds, making it suitable for a wide range of items, including luggage, camping gear, and sports equipment. Installation is straightforward, and it fits most 2-inch hitch receivers. The carrier includes a waterproof zipper and Velcro flap, making it easy to access your items while keeping them protected from the elements. Additionally, it features a non-slip rubber mat to prevent cargo from shifting during transit. The MARKSIGN 100% Waterproof Cargo Carrier is a top choice for those who prioritize cargo protection and require a weather-resistant solution. Coming in number 3. Mockins Hitch Mount Cargo Carrier. The Mockins Hitch Mount Cargo Carrier is an excellent choice for those seeking a budget-friendly yet reliable hitch cargo carrier option. Despite its affordability, it offers impressive features and functionality. This cargo carrier is constructed from heavy-duty steel and has a rust-resistant black powder coat finish, ensuring long-lasting durability. It provides a weight capacity of up to 500 pounds, making it suitable for transporting a wide range of cargo, from camping gear to sports equipment. The Mockins Hitch Mount Cargo Carrier features a 60-inch by 20-inch platform, providing ample space for your items. Its mesh base allows for easy cleaning and prevents debris buildup. Additionally, it comes with a safety reflective sticker, enhancing visibility during nighttime travel. Installation is hassle-free, as it fits most 2-inch hitch receivers and comes with a hitch pin included. Furthermore, it offers a convenient folding design, allowing you to store it compactly when not in use. With its affordable price point and reliable performance, the Mockins Hitch Mount Cargo Carrier is a great value for those looking to expand their cargo carrying capabilities. Coming in number 2. CURT 18153. The CURT 18153 cargo carrier is a versatile and well-engineered hitch-mounted solution for your cargo hauling needs. Known for its durability and ease of use, it ranks high on the list of top hitch cargo carriers. Constructed from heavy-duty steel, the CURT 18153 cargo carrier is designed to withstand the rigors of travel. It features a mesh base that allows for easy cleaning and minimizes the accumulation of dirt and debris. The carrier's 500-pound weight capacity provides ample space for various items, from camping equipment to luggage. One of the standout features of this carrier is its convenient folding design. When not in use, it can be folded up vertically against the vehicle, saving space in your garage or storage area. The carrier measures 60 inches by 24 inches, providing a generous platform for your cargo. Installation is straightforward, and the CURT 18153 fits most 2-inch hitch receivers. It includes a hitch pin for secure attachment and comes with a limited lifetime warranty, giving you peace of mind regarding its quality and durability. If you're in search of a reliable and versatile hitch cargo carrier, the CURT 18153 is a top contender. Coming in number 1. Pro Series 63153 Rambler Cargo Carrier Basket. The Pro Series 63153 Rambler Cargo Carrier Basket is a popular choice for those in need of extra cargo space during road trips or outdoor adventures. With its sturdy construction and impressive weight capacity, it earns its spot as one of the top hitch cargo carriers on the market. This cargo carrier features a durable steel construction with a black powder coat finish, which not only enhances its appearance but also provides protection against rust and corrosion. It can accommodate a wide range of cargo, from camping gear and luggage to bicycles and coolers. The Pro Series 63153 Rambler Cargo Carrier Basket offers a generous 500-pound weight capacity, making it suitable for heavy-duty hauling. It measures 48 inches in length, 24 inches in width, and has a 5.5-inch high side rail to keep your items securely in place during transit. Installation is relatively straightforward, thanks to its universal fit design that can be used with most 2-inch hitch receivers. Additionally, it includes a folding shank, allowing you to access your vehicle's trunk or rear hatch without removing the carrier. Overall, the Pro Series 63153 Rambler Cargo Carrier Basket is a reliable and spacious option for anyone looking to increase their cargo capacity while on the road.